Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can use Telegram without a phone number. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, to do this, you will need to go to the Telegram app, then go to Settings, and then you will need to go to your profile. After which at the bottom you will see, Add a new account, and as you can see, it requires you to enter your phone number. Anyway, in order to sign up for the Telegram app, you will need to enter your phone number. But if you don't want to enter your phone number, for example, or you just don't have one, but you want another Telegram account, then there is one interesting way out of this situation. You can use a temporary number. To do this, you will need to go to any browser, Google, type in temporary number, and go on to the website, the first one you come across, and the temporary number site. And here you can, if you scroll down, you can see the countries that offer temporary number. For example, I'll pick one. Let's say it's Canada. Pause. And here you can see the numbers. For example, there are only 3 here. If I were to choose, for example, the United States or England, then there are significantly more numbers here. You pick the string you want to go to. So you pick a number, you click on it. And then at the top you find the copy sign. You press it, and the number will be copied. And then you go to Telegram. You will first need to find the country where we copied the number from and paste it. After that, click Continue. If you get a window like I have now, where it says that too many attempts, please try again later. It means that the given phone number has already tried to register in Telegram. Then you can wait until a newer phone number comes up. In this list, as soon as it comes up, you need to copy it and paste it into Telegram immediately to continue this action and register in Telegram from the temporary number. This is how you can create another Telegram account for yourself. Subscribe to our channel. Please put your likes. Don't forget to write your comments. And see you soon.